Hey YouTube, Brian here. I'm back finally. So it's been a while, but I'm finally back, and today's gonna be a duramax part 2 update. So let's get into it, y'all. Hey guys, we're outside now. We're at this beautiful lake. It's not very beautiful, honestly. Filming the duramax part 2 update. It's been a while. Had some new stuff added. I haven't had that much to it. Just haven't had the money and haven't had the time to record anything. Right now, the truck actually looks nice. I wanted to find a quiet area to record this, and this is the only quiet area I have. Sorry for the wind, and it is raining, and I might film a mudding video later today. And the first things I got are these, you can see the brand. New tires, I think 31s or 32s. Honestly, it makes a truck sit higher than what I had. Back tires have a lot less tread than front tires right now. And you guys saw what I got next was a straight pipe. Yes, I did get my truck straight pipe. Sounds better, a lot louder, especially in the cab than anything. Most people don't back, yeah. It's gonna be loud. Didn't realize how loud it's gonna be next to the cab because I got a side dump instead of back hill or axle dump, or how a lot of people do it. My buddy got me this duramax sticker. I had to add up. I love the straight pipe, honestly. It's one of the nicest things I did to this. So for the new tires, that's really a little bit better. I love how it looks, honestly, right now. Little dot on it. So we don't walk outside, you guys. Well, you guys know this truck. Oh, I don't. Yeah, I got this plastic dipped that I probably was gonna take off because it's starting to really chip. New license plate. International Harvester. My old license plate up here because the shitty state I live in, California. I don't know about other states, but you have to have 2 license plates. You have to have a front and rear one. Let's get in the truck. Wow. I didn't get it tuned. Next is the tunnel. It's one of the older Edge with attitudes. Lately it's been throwing a code with the transmission. There's a slip going from 4th to 5th, I think. Let's turn it on. I actually have to take it down from where I usually run it down to my factory. Not factory, a little bit less. I have on 30. I should actually run on mileage. Stock. Mileage, tow, drive, race. I always run on number 5. And with the how it's shifting right now, I'm not doing it on 5 that often. Because it is kind of scaring me. It is throwing a transmission code, and I hate it right now. Little recent things I added last week, actually, is this Pioneer radio. I had to convert it to a single DIN from a double DIN. You guys can hear me, it's kind of decent. This truck, this is my engine noise alone. Bluetooth, aux cord, DC plugged in. Sounds actually a lot better on the truck now. I like it. Let me just put on a song to show you guys how it sounds. Johnny Cash. Not Johnny Cash. Upchurch Johnny Cash. Sounds, honestly, to me it sounds pretty good. The only thing I really don't like is I've turned it up for my sub when I had my old radio in. I didn't really have to do that. So the same radio guy actually got the speaker on this door fixed because I couldn't put it. I got everything together. I put it in like I was supposed to, how I did on other trucks, how I did on my Tahoe, how I did on my dad's truck, and this one didn't go in that good. I went to Carousel, I went to the store I go to where I usually get my truck detailed at. I might not get detailed to after winter time because there's going to be a lot of rain. And they did it for free. I just had to pay for a new speaker that was 20 bucks, and I think it was 30 bucks out the door because they wired the speaker in for me. I honestly like how the truck sits at now. I can't wait to get it leveled. That would probably be the next thing, and I'm getting some lights for this. I'm going to take you guys on a little ride to show you guys how it sounds.
Hey guys, we're driving right now. This is the... Turn off that. This is how it sounds in the cab right now, and that's on cruise control at 255. It is wet out, and I don't want to like lose control in a way. I already know how that shit is. I have almost wrecked my dad's truck before on his old truck he has now. Almost that old truck he used to have. This is with the tunnel down. I'm kind of depressed about my transmission tranny. This is how it sounds with the stuff on it. See you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, y'all. Have a great day.